Hello, my name is Mike Marshall. I am the Yaskawa servo sales rep for the Rocky Mountain region. I wanted to make this little video for you today. This is something that I use almost every day. And that is, if a customer calls me, for example, this morning, customer had an Allen Bradley servo system and he wanted me to cross it to a Yaskawa and then just give him some budgetary pricing. Well, along with the pricing, I'd also like to send him a couple of cut sheets from the Sigma-7 catalog, so he has that information available also. And I'd like to make it a nice PDF, something that he can save or print if he wants to. And in the past, it's been a little bit of an issue finding the product catalog, the Sigma-7 product catalog, which is also called the technical supplement. So I want to kind of show you an easy way to do that. All right, so first we go to yaskawa.com, and at that point we scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom we have a tab called Solution Center. This is a new feature for our website that I really like. I use it almost every day. And then right here in the search bar, we just type in Sigma-7 technical supplements. Hit search, and it'll pop right up right there. So you click on that and you get this to load. And I have one that's already loaded up here so we can go to it so we don't have to wait for it to load. But once you get that loaded, you scroll down to the page that you want to send to the customer. I know that I want to send a J series motor product cut sheet, and I know that's on page 18 of the catalog. So I just keep scrolling down here till I find it. And there is a table of contents. It comes up a little bit here, and right there you can see that it's page 18. So I want to scoot on down there to page 18. And once you get there, you'll want to decide exactly which pages you want to send. You can send one page or you can send a group of pages. So here I am. I'm at the SGM-7J product cut sheets, and I think I'm going to go down a little farther here. I want to send him some information on the torques and the speed of the motor. So let me get to that. So right here we are. So once you get to the page you want to send, you right click and then you hit print. And then you want to change your printer to print to a PDF. Now you can go down here and you can hit page, and I might want to do a range of pages. So for example, I want to send him this cut sheet on the torques and the speeds, but I also want to send him a torque speed curve. So I know a couple pages after this are the pages that have the torque speed curves on them as well. Now, one thing to note, we know that this is about page 24 of the catalog, as you can see right here. That's not the page you want to enter into your pages to print. You want these pages up here. So let's do that again. Go to print, change this to PDF, and do a range of pages. So I want to go page 42 through page 44, and you hit print. Now it'll ask you, where do you want to save that to? So I always save it right to my desktop. So let's just, for the heck of it, call it Y-1. And then I've saved that right to my desktop. So now if you go take a quick look at your desktop, you can find it here. So Y-1. And right there, you've got the cut sheet for the motor. You've got all the torques, the speeds, the torque constants, and then if you scroll down, I did 3 pages, so we will also have the torque speed curves. So that's it, and now you can just email that to your customer, and he's got that along with his quote. The other thing that I wanted to mention is, sometimes it takes a while to load that catalog up when you're trying to get to it from the internet. So what I do is I have it literally right here. I keep my Sigma-7 catalog right here on my desktop, as well as a Sigma-5, Sigma-2, and Sigma-1. That way, for example, if I'm in my car and I get a call from a customer and he wants a cut sheet, I don't have to wait for it to load with a really slow internet. So that's it for me today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, if you have a better way of doing this, I would love to hear about it. Thank you very much.